guys, welcome back to another video. Today we have a big Pokemon opening, which is the new set, which is the new, like a calm new box. It is the Meowth V and Meowth Vmas. Here's it. This is great. So I'm gonna be opening it today. Let's get right to it. So let's open it from the side, I guess. Or yeah. Now, if you want to, you can subscribe to me if you want. So I could be a big YouTuber. That's my dream right now. At least win a play button. Okay. Sorry, guys. So here you go. There you go. Let's open it. So here it is. Let's take off the plastic. Whoa, that's slided. There's a jumbo card. Yeah, it's pretty big. And let's take off this. Okay, sorry, nothing down there. Okay. Okay. There we go. Here's the two promo cards. Meowth V and Meowth Vmas. And here are the packs. 3 of them, and there's an extra one. Just 4. No, in total it's 5. So we're gonna be opening. Here's the card, which I want to keep a secret. I want this card. So yeah, let's start. Let's start off with Guardians Rising. Guardians Rising, right here. Okay. There we go. I'm gonna keep the pack because I'm gonna collect the packs. So here we go. Let's do a card trick. 1, 2. Oh no. Okay. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. And there we go. So here we go. Wishy washy. Ooh. Okay. Energy. Sorry, I can't look at this. Trainer. And nothing good. Wait, there's a double right there. That's not fair. That's a double. So next off pack, let's go to Evolvsions. Evolvsions XY. Okay. Okay. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Okay. These are pretty old cards. Oh my god. It's shiny. I think that's good. I don't know how much. Is it good? Okay. Guys, tell me in the comments why is it shiny. I think it's a good card. Please tell me in the comments down below. I don't know what kind. So let's go to Unify Minds. One, two. Let's go. Cubone, Yama. I have no idea. So I can't name all the Pokemon's energy. Okay. Okay. And we got Lucario. And if you see in the background, there's like a team up, like them two. No, them two. Yeah. Now we have 2 more packs left. Let's go with this one, the babies. I really want to pull this one card. I want to pull this. There you go. So right now, nothing so far. So card trick. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Okay, I hope we got something good this time. Okay, I'm just gonna look at these cards. Alone Sanctuary. We did open the Alone Sanctuary and in the last video. That's why I had the 4 packs from. So if you're wondering, oh, sorry. And I said I wanted the babies. I said it. Hey, guess what? Open the babies pack. I said I wanted the babies. I said I wanted it. I said, oh my god. This is good for my collection. That is totally great, guys. Now for the last pack. That was so crazy. I opened the baby's pack. What? The baby's card in it. Okay, I don't care about this pack. So now, this is why I always pull stuff from Cosmic Eclipse. I have like a lot of cards of it. Here we go. There we go. So, I finally got a Pikachu! Pikachu is my favorite Pokemon. So, yeah, that's all. We only pulled one thing, which is the babies. I hope you guys liked the video. Please, if you want to, subscribe, like, and subscribe down below if you want to see more of these videos. And I'll miss you guys. Goodbye. Oh no. I always forget to pause.